Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Outlook not receiving emails. In this video I'm going to give you guys 9 easy ways how you can fix this. So let's just immediately get into fix number 1, and the first thing we want to do is head over to Outlook, then going to the top right corner of your screen at that settings icon, then clicking on mail right here, and basically once you've done that, what you can simply do is click on junk mail right here. Once you're right here, just scroll down till you find filters right here, and then make sure that both filters are deselected. If they are, that could cause issues with some mails being blocked. So just make sure to deselect them and then click on save. Once you've done that, what you can also immediately do is head over to rules right here and make sure that any of these rules are basically removed or at least deselected. I would recommend just not having any of these because it could cause issues with emails getting blocked. So just either deselect it or just remove it with this garbage icon right there. Now, if that was still not fixed, then the third thing I would simply recommend doing is heading over into general and then clicking on storage right here. And what you want to make sure to do is that your storage is not completely full. If you have used 15 of the 15 gigabytes, then that could cause issues with your entire storage is completely being full, meaning you just will not be able to receive, or you will receive emails, but they are simply not being able to be displayed because your storage is completely full. You can simply fix this by either getting more storage where you need to pay for, or you can just also empty some storage just like that. Now, if that still did not fix the issue for you, then what I would simply recommend doing is checking your Wi-Fi connection, because in order to actually use Outlook, either this is the app or this is over on the website, you need to have Wi-Fi. So make sure that you either have Wi-Fi or cellular mode enabled. And I would recommend you have a pretty strong Wi-Fi or cellular mode, because otherwise, if you have a really weak Wi-Fi or internet basically, it could cause issues with just emails not being able to load into your inbox basically. So make sure that you have a pretty strong Wi-Fi connection. Now, if you have already done that as well and it's still not working, what you can then try and do is see if maybe you have accidentally blocked a person that you really don't want to block and that you want to actually receive emails from. So what you can do is head over to mail right here, then click on junk mail again, and right here you will find blocked senders and domains, and just make sure that this is either completely empty or if that person you want to receive emails for is not in this list. If that is not the case, then you want to go to the next fix, and that is simply making sure that your filters are set correctly over on your inbox. So if you click on those three little stripes basically right here at filter and then click on sort, you will be able to sort by date, and that's what you want to do, and you want to make sure that it says newest on top. Because if you have orders on top, then all of the new emails will literally go at the bottom, meaning you will literally never be able to see any of the new emails. So make sure that filters are set correctly so that new emails will always be at the top. Now, if that still did not fix the issue for you, then what you may want to try to do is see if you have any antivirus software currently enabled and running on your device. And if you have that, you may or may not just want to simply disable those for a quick second to see if maybe now emails will start rolling in again, because an antivirus software could sometimes cause issues with your browser, including getting emails basically. Now, if that also did not fix the issue for you, you don't even have an antivirus, then what I simply would recommend doing is clearing the cache over on your browser. So if you're using the app version, then you don't really need to do this. However, if you're using the browser version like me, what you can simply do is go to a new tab, go to the top right corner of your screen at those three dots, click on settings right here, then go to the left side of your screen at privacy and security and click on clear browsing history. What you then need to do is make sure that time range is set to all time, and then simply click on clear data right here, and you will basically clear the cache of your browser, because if you have a lot of cache on your browser, then this could sometimes cause issues with Outlook not receiving emails as well. Now, if that also did not fix the issue for you, then what you simply want to make sure to do is that your browser, and this is again for browser, if your browser is maybe running really slow, then you may or may not just want to completely restart your entire browser. In order to do this, what you simply can do is go to your task manager or activity monitor and then go to Google Chrome and then just simply double click on Google Chrome and make sure to quit it, and then you want to restart Outlook over on your browser, and this will basically hard refresh the entire browser including Outlook, and maybe that fixes the issue for you. Now the last thing I would recommend doing if still nothing has been working is simply restarting your entire device. So just restart your entire device, wait a few minutes, restart it again to see if it's now working. And that are basically all the fixes I have found over online for you guys in one simple video. So if some of those fixes fix it for you, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.